Hello and welcome back. In this video, we explain the new Entrant Asset Finder, a lead generation tool for targeting new companies. Using Clutch as the source, the workflow navigates custom list URLs via a loop. It performs a content length check. Standard pages are scraped immediately, while long-form pages are processed via a secondary loop to capture data section by section. The logic is configured to filter out featured companies, specifically extracting data for new, low-income businesses only. The Run tab provides a visual confirmation of the agent's actions, ensuring it adheres strictly to the defined protocol. With the steps validated and the output data verified, we can now proceed to the n8n configuration phase. Moving into n8n, the workflow starts by clearing the fresh data database. We maintain two separate databases, one for new leads and one for historical scraping, to keep everything organized. Once the workspace is ready, we define our category links and use the BrowserAct node to capture the raw data. A code node then splits that data so we can loop through each company individually. Inside the loop, an AI agent analyzes the details and generates a structured data profile, which is saved directly into our Google Sheet. After the fresh data is committed to the database, the system retrieves both historical and current data sets. These are aggregated into two distinct arrays and synchronized using a merge node. The AI agent then processes both arrays to produce a comparative analysis, identifying key changes between the datasets before transmitting the final report to Slack. After the report is sent, it's time to update our records. We start by clearing out the old database entirely. Then, we retrieve the latest information from the fresh database and use a loop to move each row into the permanent storage. This ensures that when the workflow runs again next week, our historical data is fully up to date. This is our final database. It is organized so you can use it for your own work. These will be the old data for the next time we run the script. New leads go into the second sheet, and then replace these once the work is done. Thanks for watching.